A smoothing plane is a shorter version of the jack plane. It is used for smoothing the article while giving a finishing touch. It is lighter and smaller than the jack plane. Before starting, take care that the blade and the cap iron are placed as close as possible. The distance between the two should not be more than 1 millimeter. The metal smoothing plane looks similar to the jack plane. The only difference is of its size and length. The wooden smoothing plane does not have any handle or knob. Being small in size, you can hold it from behind and use it by pushing it on the wooden piece to make it smooth in a similar way as with the jack plane.